We got a 2024 Honda HR-V, and we are removing a dealer installed aftermarket GPS, okay? GPS tracker. And the first thing you can do to tell if your car has a GPS tracker, if you drive a Honda, is you need to find your OBD connector, right? Which is the on-board diagnostic connector, which is this guy here. And if you see that it's black, this is not OEM. The OEM one is white, okay? So this is part of the GPS tracking system that they install, and they always install them pretty poorly, okay? Now you'll see this when you buy the car brand new. Normally, the dealers are adding these on to the add-ons, like the wheel lock add-ons, the tent add-ons, you know, where they add all these add-ons that make the car like $3,000 more. Well, this is one of them. And this is the tracker right here. You can see how poorly this is installed. It's just zip tied up here. So we'll come over here and cut the zip ties. I'll show you what we're working with here. No. Here's the tracker. It has like a serial number and all kinds of info on it on the sticker. But to disconnect it, all we gotta do is pretty much pull this guy down, because it's connected to the original OBD connector. That's right here, the white one. It's kind of a pain in the ass to get to with one hand. So what we'll do is we'll disconnect this. Pull it down a little further. Okay. So what you have here is you have a Y harness. This is how the tracker gets its power from the OBD. Okay. Here's our OEM one. Like I said, it was white. And it's supposed to go in this bracket right here. Like this. Now, the problem with these is when you go get your state inspection, like registration redone, and they hook your car up to a machine that usually plugs into this plug here. A lot of times the machine won't read it, and they'll fill your car. So if you have a good state inspector, he'll unplug it and find it and make it work. But good luck with that.